Hi guys, how we doing? Debbie here. So today I'm going to do some faux embossing. So I've cut out lots and lots and lots and lots of little hearts. I've used this die and this die. Now for that one, it cut out that as well, so I'm going to keep that because I can use that as a stencil for a later date. Okay, so I've also cut out these three. I'm not quite sure which size I want to do yet, but these are off Juna K Master Layouts 1 and Master Layouts 2. Okay, so what I want to do is lay the love hearts all over the front, wherever you feel you want them. Now these are all different shapes and sizes. So I'm going to have some coming off the edge and then I can trim it down. And then some straight on the card. Okay. And you could do this with any shapes, butterflies or whatever you wish, really. I'm just picking them up willy-nilly, not in any particular order. I'm just laying them down. Okay. I'll speed you up for this bit, guys, because you don't want to sit and watch me gluing a load of hearts onto a bit of card. Okay guys, that's that bit. So as you can see, it looks like it's been embossed. There's actually, all we've done is stuck little hearts all over it. So I'm just going to go around and trim these edges off. Still a bit damp, so I have to be careful. Okay. I'll leave that on with that side. Oops, this little tiny section there. Right, I'll leave that there to dry off. Now, I've also got this die that says "With Love," and I've cut it out of red card 3 times. So I want to layer these up. Okay, I've had to switch to voiceover because my microphone decided to pack in on me. So I'm just choosing where I want the with love word to go on the card. And which size base I want. Whether I want the smaller one or the larger one. Gone for the smaller one. And then just glue the heart layer onto your red layer and line it up. Next, grab your T ruler. We just want to line up as best we can the with love onto the card. Apply your glue, just dot it on, not too much because it'll squirt everywhere onto the card and you don't want that. Just line it up where you want it and press down to adhere it to the card. Now I'm just applying Wink of Stella over the red letters just to give it a bit of pizzazz. It's not just plain red. Next I'm going to apply some glossy accents over the top of the red letters. Now I'm just cutting the card base to size. Now we're adhering the card front to the base of the card with some liquid glue. Being careful not to touch the glossy accents because they're still wet. And then you have it, guys. Another card finished. How pretty is that? So if you haven't got an embossing folder with the pattern that you want, make it yourself. Very easy, quick and easy to do. Okay guys, that's it from me for today. Have a good one and I'll see you soon.
Bye.